All right, so in this video, we will be connecting the Google Search Console to your custom domain on the Wizrd platform to help you guys crush SEO. A Google Search Console is an SEO tool that gives you the data directly from Google, showing you how many impressions your website is getting on Google searches every single day, with the click-through rate and the average position of your pages and posts. With Google Search Console, you can see the actual queries that people are searching up on Google that your website is popping up for, both as impressions and ultimately clicks. You can see the list of all of your pages that are driving in the most clicks and impressions from Google search, and you can even sort them by countries and devices. One useful feature of Google Search Console is you can submit a sitemap to Google so that they can index and then crawl the latest version of your website faster. Google Search Console also warns you of some errors on your website when it comes to page experience or the core web vitals or mobile usability, which are all important factors when it comes to ranking on SEO. Luckily, as a Wizrd customer, these are things which they have taken care of for you right out of the box. So step number one is visiting search.google.com and then clicking Start Now. You will have to log in using an existing Google account, and then you'll see this screen. Simply type in the domain that you want to connect and click Continue. So here they give instructions for various different domain providers. We are going to be connecting a Namecheap domain, but the general process is going to be largely the same for no matter who you choose. The key is we need to copy this text record right here. Then in another tab, you're going to need to log into your domain provider company, and most of you probably should have chose Namecheap. So copy this right here. Here we are on Namecheap. Find your website and go into Manage. And the first step, you're going to want to click Advanced DNS. So as you can see here, we already have the A record from connecting it to our Wizrd website. And what you're going to want to do now is add the TXT record, which we've already done here. But let me show you how to do it for a new account. All you'll have to do is click Add New Record, then scroll down, select TXT record, then you'll just put the @ symbol, and you're going to want to take that copied Google site verification and place it in here. Now, obviously for this example, I already have it above, so I'm going to delete it. So just make sure you save these changes. And after you've done that, you're going to want to make sure you set the mail settings to no email service by default. It is set to email forwarding, which is going to have another TXC record, and we don't want to interfere with our Google Search Console verification. So set that to no email service. Then click Save Changes. After you've done that, simply click Verify, and it will verify your domain with Google Search Console. Sometimes the DNS changes can take a few hours, so you might need to click Verify later and then try again. So the next time you go to enter into the Google Search Console, you'll be brought to this window here where additional websites can be added here on the left-hand side as under Property. So that about wraps up how to connect Google Search Console to your custom domain. Make sure to look at your Google Search Console analytics every now and then to see where your searches are coming from so that you can get a better idea of what content to post more about to increase your SEO traffic and rankings. All right, guys, see you on the next video.